Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Scott Davis, sharing a quick video on how to use search tools in LinkedIn Business Premium to find people you want to connect with for your job search or for networking. Premium is currently $59.99 a month, but you can sign up for a 1-month free trial. So let's see what it can do. I'm on my LinkedIn homepage here, and I'm going to do a search for Digital Marketing Manager. Suppose I'm looking for a guest speaker for my class. Once I've typed my query, I choose to search in the People category and go. My results page includes 3 levels of my LinkedIn network, and this includes about 365,000 people for me. That's not very useful. I can filter on the network level to see who I'm already connected to in my first level. So here are 119 digital marketing managers that I know. I can also deselect first level and select my second level network. Now this is cool. I can start sending requests to connect. There are still about 3,600 people here, so I want to refine my results if I'm looking for a guest speaker who will actually show up. I'm going to deselect second level to search all 3 levels for this. I went to Texas A&M for my MBA and PhD and know the Aggie network is friendly, so I'm going to search for Texas A&M University. My school, UH Downtown, is in Houston, so I also want to isolate the location. Now I'm down to 89 people, very manageable results. I can cast a wide enough net to be sure I will find someone, but it's also a focused search. Now I can use my in-mail messages or requests to connect with any of these users. And that's all there is to it. See how this search compares to what you get with your free LinkedIn account, and be sure to share this video and please drop a comment if you found this to be useful. I've been thinking a lot about my next video, and I think I'm going to show you how to get email addresses from your networks and your LinkedIn searches. Thank you.